Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the tracking number and your government ID. This speeds verification at the locker. Once done, check the chosen DHL Service Point Lockers hours and availability so you don't arrive after cutoff. Next, verify parcel dimensions against locker size limits and ensure you received a PIN or QR code from the delivery notice. These first actions avoid delays and failed attempts, and they set up a smooth, contact-free retrieval process. When you reach the locker at the locker, scan the QR code or carefully type the PIN on the touchscreen. This authenticates you and triggers the system. Then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity and wait while the locker finds a compartment that fits your item. Once the assigned door opens, pull out the parcel and inspect the label to ensure it's yours. Make sure to fully close the locker door and use the confirmation button or app prompt. This logs the successful pickup and releases any hold on your delivery. Finish by checking the parcel for damage and matching tracking details to avoid surprises later. Once satisfied, confirm pickup in the DHL app or on the kiosk to receive a timestamped receipt. Save that screenshot or email for proof. If the locker fails to open, the parcel is missing, or you received a wrong item, remain on-site and call DHL using the tracking number and PIN. This speeds resolution. As a quick troubleshooting tip, reboot the kiosk screen or switch to manual code entry if the scanner misreads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.